How to use Plymouth Rock Assurance Review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Plymouth Rock Assurance is a popular insurance provider, but many beginners misread reviews and end up making costly mistakes. Here's how to use reviews properly. The first mistake is focusing only on premium costs. Most people get this wrong by chasing the lowest rate without considering coverage limits, deductibles, or claim handling. Reviews often reveal real customer experiences, highlighting which policies provide value and which don't. Second mistake, ignoring claim process details. You won't believe how many policyholders struggle because they didn't check how long claims take or what documentation is required. Reviews frequently share actual claim experiences, helping you anticipate potential delays. Third mistake, overlooking discounts and eligibility. The surprising truth is that Plymouth Rock offers multiple discounts like Safe Driver, multi-policy, or loyalty discounts, but beginners often miss them. Reviews provide insights into which discounts are easiest to claim and how much they typically save. Fourth mistake, assuming coverage is the same in all states. Many people forget that insurance regulations vary by location. Reviews often mention regional differences in service quality, coverage options, and customer support responsiveness. Finally, failing to cross-check reviews with official policy terms is common. Always confirm coverage limits, exclusions, and renewal policies with Plymouth Rock directly to avoid surprises. Using Plymouth Rock Assurance reviews properly means evaluating more than just price, understanding claims processes, leveraging discounts, recognizing regional differences, and verifying official terms. Avoid these beginner mistakes to get the best coverage for your needs without unnecessary headaches.